Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are doing another extreme action pose with a lot of foreshortening. So what we are having is a figure that will be in a Spider-Man like pose, and with the feet and with one foot in one hand coming right toward the screen. So how we're going to do that is we're going to put out the fist first, provided that we need a fist. Let's say that we have a fist, and we will have a foot nice and big. So we'll work backwards from these two shapes. So please use very light strokes, very light lines. So we're going back, and since there's a lot of foreshortening, so that's it for the shin and the calf, the knee around here, and then the thigh going backward, something like that. And of course the calf and the will lean toward the bottom of the foot to make it more accurate. And here we need not necessarily show the framework behind, but if we do want to show it, then let's just put in some circles first. So forearm, bicep, delt. So everything pretty much lining up right behind the other. And the figure is like really hunched forward, so we have head right here, and we have the other shoulder right there. We have the chest right there, and we have the other leg. We can show a portion of it, sort of like that. Okay, so now we're getting that a little humanoid feel here, but we're not there yet. So we're going to put in some lines and get this framework going. So let's say we have a nice big fist here. Now this is an extreme sort of foreshortening, and just a little semblance of the delts, the forearm right there, and that's about it. And we have that delt going into the pec, the collarbone right there, and we have the remainder of the body. Now we have to imagine that of course the serratus and the side lats are right behind that fist, and they're just coming in and going to vanish around there. And instead we're going to put out this leg with the knee and the calf and the shin, and it's going backward and then vanishing on us. This leg right here, there's the knee, which we do need to show prominently, but so everything is like going backward like that, so everything is curving backward like that, so we have to work along those lines. So shin placement right there, bit of the heel could be implied, and we have a nice big foot to cap this off. And now the other hand here, very popular to show it going right behind and ending up here. There's some fingers there, and that's one application of it. Almost forgot to put down the head, and the head in a slightly like hunched or tucked position. This is like very Spider-Man like. all the other characters could also, put that thigh out properly, other characters could also benefit from this pose, but I think that Spider-Man would be a very suitable character to fit right in here. So, and we could have this hand, of course we could like twist it around, and but we would have to change the placement. So if we were to, let's say, do that, because Spider-Man has to fling those webs, so just a pair of sausages right there for the two fingers in the middle and the index finger, the thumb, and that would just do the trick. And we could have this whole like webbing coming right at us like that. You know, it would make for a very awesome effect. And leave that hand and somehow show some webbing going through that hand, and he's holding on to it and it's going in circles, like Todd McFarlane used to do a very good job. So extreme foreshortening pose, and one way to go around it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.